How is technology changing the world, and how should the world change technology? Technology has, over many years, brought about revolutionary changes in our environment and our day-to-day lives. In addition, the development of technology geared at seniors has resulted in the creation of incredible tools and resources, which have placed knowledge that is helpful right at our fingers. The development of modern technology has made it possible to create devices with several functions, such as smartphones and smartwatches. Ever since their invention, computers have steadily improved in terms of processing speed, portability, and overall power. As a result of all of these breakthroughs, technology has also made our life simpler, quicker, and more enjoyable, as well as better. We will discuss how technology has improved the quality of life for seniors both inside and outside the house in the following video. The development of technology has led to the creation of faster methods of communication, such as through the use of instant messaging apps and social media platforms. The elderly can stay in contact with their loved ones, and carers now have new channels via which they may monitor their elderly patients or parents. In the most recent decades, technology has also provided us with brand new items such as smartwatches, tablets, and devices that act as voice assistants. Using these gadgets, we can do things such as instantaneously transferring money and making payments for a wide variety of items, including but not limited to clothing, meal delivery, groceries, furniture, and more. Technology has altered how people amuse themselves, interact with one another, and consume a wide variety of forms of media. Technology has produced some entertaining breakthroughs, but it has also made some crucial advancements in safety, particularly in medical devices and home security systems. People who are battling with hearing loss can now benefit from hearing aids, as well as TV listening devices, which enable them to listen to their preferred shows in a manner that is both comfortable and easy. These technologies are making it possible for people of a certain age, particularly seniors, to continue living in their own homes as they age, to maintain their independence, and to carry on with their normal lives without anxiety. It helps with safety, mobility, and connectivity, all of which are important for opening up new options. As a result of advances in medicine, it is now possible to take preventative measures for disorders such as diabetes and arthritis. Senior citizens may now seek help at the touch of a button and stay in touch with their loved ones no matter where they are in the globe thanks to the latest generation of medical alert gadgets. It could appear to be an insurmountable task to adjust to changing circumstances when there are so many emerging technologies to monitor. On the other hand, all of these recently developed pieces of technology are intended to make your life simpler. Although it might not feel natural at first, learning how to use smartphones, smartwatches, and voice assistants is rather simple and only requires a short amount of education and practice. What people refer to as media has evolved as a result of digital technologies. New technology has had a significant impact on the media industry because a media organization is no longer necessarily a news platform. Today, the term media firm refers to any business that assists in the dissemination of information across the world. This includes social media platforms such as Facebook and Twitter. There are currently close to 3.2 billion people on the planet who are actively using the internet. That accounts for approximately half of all people on the planet. 2 million cell phones are sold in different parts of the world every single day, and the amount of information that people exchange on social media networks is staggering. Before the advent of mobile technology, the only way to determine the meaning of a word was to look it up in a dictionary. You may now rapidly search the internet or look up terms using a dictionary app on your mobile device. With search engines such as Google and Bing, you can look up almost anything on the internet. This goes beyond just searching for words. There is no way around the fact that the progression of technology will unquestionably continue to make our lives more complicated. Within the next several years, everyone may use autonomous automobiles, and factories will be filled with robots instead of humans. But, in this article, we will focus on the numerous everyday ways in which technology is already altering our lives. In the future, technology will undoubtedly change our lives in unimaginable ways. How we communicate has been transformed by technology. How has the advancement of technology improved communication? The development of technology has resulted in a dramatic increase in the speed and ease of human communication. When we consider how much progress has been made in the realm of communication throughout human history, we are astounded. One of the most striking illustrations of how rapidly technology has progressed is provided by the various communication tools. In the past, the most effective way to connect with someone who was physically located in another location was to either write a letter, send a fax, or locate a wired telephone. You have a lot of options that are a lot more efficient at your disposal if you want to connect with someone in today's culture. You can contact them by calling them, texting them, video chatting with them, emailing them, or sending them a message through social media. Keeping in touch with loved ones can be challenging, especially if you are living alone or if you are aging in place, but these innovative approaches can assist. Caregivers can check on their elderly patients via video chat, which is helpful for patients who do not necessarily require regular in-person visits. The use of social media is an effective method for maintaining relationships with friends and family, since it enables you to view the activities that your loved ones are participating in through the images and status updates that they publish. Social media. Who among us hasn't heard of social networking sites like Facebook, Twitter, or Skype? They are now well known to the general public. Even if you don't make use of these platforms, you can't escape the fact that they are ingrained in modern culture and won't be disappearing anytime soon. Regardless of where you are located, social media platforms distribute messages at the same rate and speed, regardless of whether the recipient is right next to you or on the other side of the world. These platforms also allow you to send voice messages, and the delivery time for these communications is measured in nanoseconds. Messaging applications. How we make use of mobile phones has also undergone a profound transformation. In addition to the many social media platforms, there are also a great many other programs that have been developed expressly for communication. WhatsApp and other messaging applications allow you to rapidly communicate with family and friends, and even make calls over Wi-Fi, so if social networking isn't your thing, you can still stay in touch with them. You can access email through your phone or send SMS text messages through your mobile provider, but many smartphones come equipped with their very own messaging systems that are integrated right into the device. Via the use of Wi-Fi or cellular data, iMessage on Apple iPhones enables users to connect for free with any other person who also possesses an iPhone. Throughout its existence, iMessage has gradually become more advanced. The ability to transmit images, videos and emoticons is only the tip of the iceberg when it comes to what you can accomplish. The platform has now extended to include gaming, voice notes, and a variety of app integrations to make the process of sending information more expedient. The development of technology used in medical warning systems. Both in terms of technology and terms of safety measures, medical emergency response systems have witnessed some amazing developments in the past decade. As a result, elderly citizens now have the impression that they are safer than they have ever been. The development of mobile medical alert systems was an early step in a field that has seen significant progress throughout its history. Users of these systems are given the ability to leave their houses and continue living their usual lives while at the same time having the assurance that they will have access to emergency assistance if they require it. In the event of an emergency, users of several different devices, such as the Medical Guardian Mobile 2.0, can set up a network of emergency contacts who are also able to track the user's location and receive notifications about the incident. The latest developments in medical alert systems now incorporate a fall detection component as part of their standard design. Your medical alert pendant is equipped with specialized sensors that can automatically determine if you have fallen, and then send an alarm to the monitoring contact center when it does so. The operator will then be able to determine where you fell thanks to modern GPS and cellular technologies, and this will be the case regardless of whether you can communicate your location or know the address. Because of this technology, the operators can then dispatch emergency medical aid to you more rapidly, which in turn provides a tremendous sense of security for both you and the people you care about the most. Hearing aids lead to an overall improvement in quality of life. By alleviating the stress that comes from having a diminished capacity for hearing, hearing aids make it possible for people to have happy, healthy lives despite their hearing loss. According to the findings of a survey that was organized by the Better Hearing Institute, 8 out of 10 people who use hearing aids have said that they are pleased with the changes that their hearing aids have made in their life. Hearing aids make it possible for users to participate in activities that would otherwise be significantly more challenging or even impossible, such as chatting, watching television, or listening to music. These activities include listening to music and watching television. Hearing aids can also assist you in having a better quality of life by helping you in the following areas: hearing and recognizing speech and language in various voices. Maintaining a heightened awareness of your surroundings to eliminate the need for assistance from other people at all times. Having the feeling that you are in charge of your life. How was the video? Did you enjoy it? Post your feedback in our comment section below. And subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates.